So before I did that, it would have already blocked up and stopped the blade, completely stalled the blade, because a piece of that would have blocked up there, a bit behind it, until it got so much grass in there that it couldn't even turn the blades, and then the belt would start to slip on the pulley back there. And yeah, I could smell the belt starting to warm up and everything. And look at that. That's a pretty good result. I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, rate, comment, subscribe.